What is blockchain and how does it work? Hello there. Hello there. Well, hello there, soon-to-be blockchain experts. Welcome to part 3 of the 6-video cryptocurrency series. This video is based from an article by Laura M. on BitDegree. Now, before we begin, I do want to emphasize that this video is not in any way a form of financial advice, and so I highly encourage you to do your own research and speak to your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Today is the day that marks the birth of your full understanding of the blockchain technology. Here, you'll get the complicated blockchain explained in simple words. As I'm sure you are aware, it is confusing! Which is exactly why you are here watching this video. In the blockchain industry, there are 2 big B words. The first, you guessed it, is blockchain. And the second is Bitcoin. People new to the crypto space often confuse themselves by believing that these are the same thing, which they are not. However, they are very much closely related. Bitcoin, put simply, is a digital currency. Blockchain, on the other hand, is the technology that is used by Bitcoin to allow secure, public, and anonymous transactions to take place. Just think of blockchain as an operating system like Windows and Mac OS, and Bitcoin as an application that runs on that operating system. Simple, but in even more simple terms, the main purpose of the blockchain is to allow fast, secure, and transparent peer-to-peer transactions. It is a trusted, decentralized network that allows for the transfer of digital values such as currency and data. Now, as we're all newbies here is a simple example on how to explain the blockchain. Let's compare how data is stored and shared in standard non-blockchain systems to how it is stored and shared in a blockchain system. The way the traditional non-blockchain system ledgers work is very similar in the way you would share a Microsoft Word document with your friend. While you are editing the document, your friend is locked out and cannot make changes. Once you have finished your changes, you send it to your friend to edit it further. Now, while your friend is editing the document, you are locked out and cannot make changes until they are finished and send it back to you. In the blockchain system, however, all users can view the changes while they are being made. The data is accessible in a secure and shared environment instead of being locked to one company or person at a time, at the risk of losing the data. For example, if the data was stored on one computer and that computer was hacked or shut down, the newest version of that data would be lost. With a blockchain, the data is stored in all the computers that run it. This means the data would not be at risk if one of the computers was hacked or broken. As you can now see, blockchain technology does not just benefit cryptocurrencies. It benefits many industries. Imagine the amount of legal, health, accounts, and customer data that should be used this way. This is just one of the many advantages of the blockchain technology. I hope that you found value in this video. Again, this is part 3 of a 6-video series. So go ahead and watch the first part of the series if you haven't yet. Like and follow my page to see the next part in the weeks to come. Invest now to enjoy later.